Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, I am going to be doing a room tour. This video is literally my most requested video ever. Every single time I ask for suggestions, this one always pops up. And I just haven't done it in a while because I don't know, like I just never felt like I like the way my room is. Like I don't dislike it, but I also just don't like it. But since it has been requested for the previous years, like back and forth, and I've just never done it. And I also plan on changing my room soon. So I kind of want to give you guys a glimpse of what my room looks like before I change it, because you know, it's been requested with how it looks like right now. But before I start, don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notifications on because I am uploading more this summer. Also, leave me video suggestions down in the comments. I have ideas of what I want to do, but I also want to know what you guys want. And let's just get started with this video. I'm not going to start off outside my room because it's literally just a plain white door and there's no point to it. So let's start. So I'm going to give you guys a plain overview of my room. So here's my door. And we're back to my door. Okay, so around my door, I do have like these Christmas lights. I put them up for Christmas, and then I just really like the fact that I can turn off all the lights at night and then just have this as my light source. It's a mood, okay? It's a vibe. So moving on to the next wall right here, this is where I just keep a bunch of like handbags and other bags that I'll like use occasionally. I don't use them as frequently. So for example, this is my Fajal Raven Conkin. I think that's how you say it. I use this when I go to Six Flags. So if you guys want like what I take to Six Flags or amusement parks, then leave a comment down below. I have this Coach Poppy bag, which I've always like wanted a Coach Poppy bag. I just got it and then I don't really use it anymore, but it's there. I have this Kate Spade bag slash wallet type thing, except my phone doesn't fit in it anymore, so I might just use it as a wallet. I have this Michael Kors bag right here, which I bought with my first YouTube paycheck, which I can't even monetize my videos anymore. And then I have this huge Michael Kors bag, which I'll take to like if I go to auditions or I need to carry a bunch of stuff. Over here to the next wall, I have my closet. And I have this shirt right here. I might as well just go through it before I go into my closet. So it's just a bunch of stuffed animals that I don't know what to do with them. All of these are that I get for free because I have events at the university I go to. I have this one. Jessica got me this one. I have this one, which is just a Build-A-Bear and it's whatever. I have this one. And then I have just a bunch of stuff. This bag right here. Some baseball caps. I have this little big plant thing that my aunt got me in Mexico and I just hang it there and leave it. Okay, so this is how my closet looks like inside. These are like my mom's stuff. Jackets, I guess. And then I have my jackets, these huge fluffy ones. And all like my clothes right now. This is mainly my summer clothes because my winter clothes just doesn't fit in here. I know it sounds ridiculous, but like you guys can see it's already all crowded and I don't even use like, I'm one of the people who will use the same 5 outfits like just repeatedly. And then down here I have a bunch of drawers from like Walmart. So in this first front I have shorts. These two are like, you know, lingerie and stuff. These are my jeans, random UNT stuff, leggings, undershirts, rompers, and then a bunch of random bags and stuff. Oh, these like, I don't know what they're called, but these are like those sweaters, but I don't know. Just that. A bunch of technology stuff, so like all my like Wii games, GameCube games, iPhone box, stuff like that. And down here I just have a bunch more shirts. Over here this looks like a mess, but trust me, like I just don't really reach into here. Anyways, this is an outfit for a photo shoot that I have later. Random boxes and bags. All these like cards that people have gotten me throughout the years. A bath bomb, just random stuff, honestly. Over here to this side, I just have my tripod right here, which is really old and already breaking. Some random bag with like fun sunglasses, and then my camera stuff. After my closet, I have this little section right here, which is just like my drawer and just other stuff. Up here, if you guys are not from Texas, you probably don't know what these are, and they probably look ridiculous to you. These are homecoming mums. You wear them the day of homecoming, and you kind of have one every year. You don't have to. I don't know. Your date normally makes it. I didn't have a date, so I made them with my mom. I just kind of set them up how I like it. These are going down soon. This one right here is my freshman year one. This one is my sophomore year one. my junior year one, and then that is my senior year one. As you guys can see, they got a little bit more like complex as time went on. So down here is kind of like my little beauty area, but not really. Right here I have one of my mini backpacks. This is the Michael Kors one. I love it. I'll use it whenever I don't want to carry like a huge handbag around. Over here I have body sprays and just lotions. And then I also have this little avocado right here. If you guys don't know, this is guacardo. These are all like my perfumes, although they're really old. So these two right here are Justin Bieber ones, and they still smell nice, which is why I don't throw them away. This is my favorite Juicy Couture one so far. A lot of these I've ran out, but I just haven't like gone back to buy some. I have a succulent thing. I have my little like wallet with my car key and my house keys. I have my little miniature Kate Spade backpack. I love this one, but I only use it in the winter because of like the felt material. And then I have my 3 handbags. So for example, this is my newest one, is Kate Spade. I don't know what it's called, but I really like the little like fake snake skin detailing. And then I have a plain black one, and I have my pink one, and that is that little area. And then over here I just have the curtains and stuff next to it. It looks really young. I want to change that. Next to it I have my bed. So if you guys can tell up here, I have a bunch of pictures. I'm not really going to go into detail of the top row because I don't know if people want to be on YouTube, but right here I just have pictures of my friends and I. You guys can tell most of these people are the same people. I just haven't updated my picture thing, so if you're not up here, please just don't get mad at me. But I DIY'd this, made it myself. Down here I have my bedding I've had for a long time. It was actually my room tour from years ago, and I just haven't found anything that I really like, and I also just don't want to spend my money on it. So I keep the same bedding. That bear I got from Jessica. This bear, it just had green, and I go to UNT and their colors are green and white, so I just kind of did that to show like Squish Bear. I don't know, okay? Don't judge me. Another guacardo, which I won in a giveaway recently. I love guacardo, like I said. This pillow is not from that collection. I don't know where it's from. My friend Brie got it for me. This blanket right here is from JCPenney. I love it. It's like lightweight, but if I'm ever like a little bit chilly in the summer because my room gets cold, it's right there. After my bed, we have this section right here, which is my actual beauty section. Hi, yes, I'm wearing Nike shorts. Over here, I have all my nail polishes, which I don't really paint my nails or do my nails. I just do my toenails, and I use these right here. I don't really use anything else. This nail polish rack my dad made for me, so you can't really buy it anywhere, but I'm pretty sure you can find something similar on Amazon. That is literally a chocolate box that I just hung up because I thought it looked cute. And then here is my vanity. I got this vanity off Amazon a couple of years ago, so I don't know if they still have it. I can do a whole makeup collection if you guys want. It's getting a little bit old, like I said. I've had it for a couple of years. Underneath my vanity, I just have all like my curling irons, hair straighteners, body sprays, just random stuff. Over here, I have pictures, as you guys can see. I don't know why they're not labeled, don't ask me. It's a picture of me and one of my best friends, Brie. We went to a pumpkin patch. So for Christmas, Brie just kind of framed one of the pictures and gave them to me. She framed that one too, but that was like 2 years ago. Here are just these drawers. These are from Walmart. I don't know if they still have them. They probably do, but this is where I keep most of my makeup and other stuff. I have a little coaster. Again, this is the UNT logo. This right here is just a tissue box. This, I don't know where to get it. Again, one of my friends got it for me. After my makeup area, we have my little like jewelry armoire. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Anyways, this little bear right here, Jessica got it for me for my birthday. I really love it. I don't know where else to put it, so it's just right here right now. They were really popular on social media at the beginning of this year, and I love it. I have my little albino squirrel from UNT. That's just my Michael Kors watch, and then this is where I keep my charm bracelet whenever I don't have it on. And then I can do a jewelry collection again. I don't really want to go into detail with it, but it's just a bunch of like, yeah, jewelry, you know. If you guys want to see a jewelry collection, leave a comment down below and I'll do one, because I have more right here, but I'm not removing anything. Next to it, I have this little event calendar. After this little corner right here, I have my desk. I don't spend as much time at it as I used to, but I do really enjoy it. I don't even do my homework at my desk. I do my homework in the kitchen just because I don't like being isolated in my room a lot. This is just like a little random like decor area. Right here, I have a photo booth picture from prom. And then I have this little notebook that I got at BeautyCon Dallas that says Gold Digger. I have my little clapperboard because I'm just, you know, I like acting and YouTube, and yeah, that's that. I have little souvenirs right here. So right here I have this little picture of my friends and I. We just thought it'd be funny to do like the little prom pose. My friend printed this out for my birthday and wrote a little note on the back, and I just kind of keep it back here. These are souvenirs from my friends who have traveled. So for example, one of my friends went to India and she got me a snow globe. My family went to Paris and brought us little souvenirs. One of my friends went to London and brought me a little Big Ben. And then these are shot glasses. Yes, I don't drink, but it's just a little joke, okay? I don't know, but I have one from Copenhagen and one from Marfa, and then all these are little knickknacks that are from UNT that I keep on my backpack. Right here, I have my Beats headphones. I only use these mostly when I edit. I don't like to listen to music while I study and do homework because I can't. So right here, I have a bunch of like books, my senior year yearbook, a bunch of like other pictures put away. Some of these books are actually autographed. So for example, this one from Start to Stardom is autographed by a casting director. The Ellen Blair one is autographed by them. And then I have a bunch of notebooks and just other stuff. Right here, I have my old camera that I used to use to film, and now it just kind of sits there. It works, but I don't use it anymore. I have this one right here that I won in Brittany Louise Taylor's giveaway years ago, and it doesn't work anymore, but it's there. All my pencils, pens, and scissors. I have this little drawer right here, and right here I just have a bunch of stuff that I stuff in the back. So I have my old iPhone and all the old iPhone cases. I have my little mini tripod for this camera whenever I vlog. Chargers and old camera stuff in the back, and then just clips and other stuff. Yeah, we're back up, and this is my TV. I don't really watch TV at all. It's just up there. Like I said, I barely turn this thing on. Down below, I have little photo booth pictures. This one is with my friend Jessica, and then I have some with other friends from last year. I have this G, I don't know where it's from. Bree got it for me. And then up here, I just have both of my laptops. I don't really use this one anymore. I used to use this for editing, but for some reason, my old editing system just won't take the stuff from iPhones and this camera, so I only use it for like my acting stuff. This is my school laptop and my editing laptop now. I have these stickers on it that I got from Redbubble. Down below here, I just have my TV remotes. Hold on a second, we don't need to see that. I have a little notepad that I use whenever I edit and need to write down some numbers or some songs that I use. And then I have my iPad that I use pretty frequently to watch YouTube videos and then just watch shows. Just keep it there. Right here, I have all my school stuff for like the semester. And then over here, we have a bunch of cords and just other like stuff. And we're coming to the end of my room. This mirror right here is from Walmart, which is really nice because it's only 10 bucks and it works awesome. And it's a full-length mirror so I can see myself, look at my outfits before I go out. And then right below it, I always keep my backpack here. Like I said, I am on summer break, but I tried to leave my room kind of like what it normally looks like throughout the year. And then we are back at my door. So that was all for my room tour, everyone. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe and turn those post notifications on because I am uploading more this summer. Also, you guys can go follow me on my social media because I do post more on there than I do on YouTube. I'm a little bit more active on Twitter and Instagram, so when I'm not on here, you know, it's on there. Also, don't forget to leave any video suggestions down below in the comments because, like I said, I do want to make videos that you guys want. I want to know what you guys want to see. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.